What it do, YouTube? It's Boy 20. I'm checking back in with another video. It's been a minute, man, but guess what? I'm back. And this should be a banger. If it don't rain, it feel like it's actually drizzling now. But before I say anything, y'all know, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. You know, follow my social media. Follow me on Instagram at barberboy_20. Follow me on TikTok at barberboy20. But man, today it's a car show tonight, like a car meet, and it started at 9 o'clock. But I'm still at work right now. I just came to the bank to deposit some money right quick. But I'm finna actually go back to work, and I just felt the rain drop. Man, bro, I just hope it don't rain, bro, because if it rains, it's gonna mess up the whole car show. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and just hope we get the, you feel me, like to cut up real quick, man. But look though, before I go, man, just check her out, man. Just look at her, she's so pretty. Just look at her. Man, I got some stuff coming too, boy. I got some heat. Let me show y'all the front view. Just look at my baby, man. Just look at her, sitting there looking all pretty. But yeah, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll let y'all know if it rain or not. Y'all just, I don't know, but just stay tuned. Alright, so man, YouTube, bro, I got some tragic news to tell y'all, man. It's raining, bro. Like, it's raining, bro. Like, bro, I'm finna cry. Like, I'm really finna cry. Like, ain't no way it's doing this, bro. Like, it's not supposed to be raining, dog. But, yeah, so I'm finna be heading back to the shop right now. I gotta get me a cut, and I got a few heads left to do, and man, by that time, bro, the rain should pass over. I don't think it's no real high percent of rain or nothing like that, because it's actually like drizzling right now. But it's like the way the clouds and stuff looking, it's looking like it's finna like it look like it's finna pour down rain and probably storm and all that, bro. I just hope it like just pass over so I can drop this banger for y'all, man. I gotta drop this, bro. And man, last night I'm so mad that I didn't vlog, but man, I ain't record nothing last night, and it was me, my homeboys, we was just riding through the city and all that, man. Me, my Challenger, a Charger, RT, and 2 Mustangs, we just like zooming through the city and all that. Then we like went somewhere like Burnt Out, did donuts. Oh, that's what I gotta tell y'all too. Man, I did my first donut last night, bro. Like, it wasn't no clean, like, you know, like no real clean slide donut type, but you feel me? I'm happy. I did my first donut ever, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was so fun. Like, it was too fun. Like, it had my adrenaline pumping so high. Cause it's like, I used to always watch people do that on YouTube, and I'm finally able to do it. But sooner or later, man, I really learned how to do it. But I was so happy last night I did that. It was just so fun because it was like, you feel me, like all of us just burning out, doing donuts, smoke like everywhere. Like that jump was just so loud, bro. But so man, I'm actually pulling up back to the shop right now, and I don't know, bro. Let's just pray that this rain pass over. Let's just pray and hope that it just like pass over and go like somewhere else. Like, why come ruin our day? Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, ain't no way this supposed to be happening. Piss me off, man. Piss me off. But I just had to get on here and just talk to y'all a little bit before everything going. You feel me? Before everything start. Just had to come talk to y'all, let y'all know I did my first donut. And boy, when I really learn how to do it, man, I gotta make sure I got a new set of tires. Cause when I actually learn how to do it, it's gonna be over with. I'm gonna do it like so much, like I might just sit and just burn my tires out. I know how to do burnouts, but it's the donut, bro. I don't know, bro. I do not know how to slide. Like, I feel like that's so hard. And honestly, like, to other people and stuff like that, it's probably not even that hard. Cause a couple people were telling me it ain't that hard. I just gotta, like control it and know how to do it. I don't know. Some people tell me to do it in manual. Some people tell me start out doing a burnout and then, release off the gas and just start like turning my wheel real hard and stuff like that. But I want to learn how to do it both ways. And that's what I need to work on too. Learn how to drive in manual. Cause driving in manual actually gives my car more horsepower. But yeah, man, so I'm just sitting up here until these clients pull up, and then I'm gonna give me a haircut, and hopefully it'll be like no more rain so we can go ahead and go to the car show. But stay tuned. Please stay tuned. And subscribe. Like, why not hit the subscribe button? Why not like it? Why not turn your post notification bell on? Like, why would you want to miss a banger from me? Like, why would you want to? Like, just turn everything on so you won't miss another video. Stay tuned. Well, YouTube, I just got news that the car meet is still going. So I'm actually finna go meet up with my brother tonight. That we gonna ride over there and see what it's talking about. I know it probably gonna take a little minute for cars and all that to get out there, but yeah, so we gonna ride out there. I'm finna go meet with him, and we gonna go out there and see what our cars out there, man, and see what they finna do. So y'all just stay tuned, sit back and watch, eat you some popcorn, drink you some juice, whatever you doing. Chill, lay in your bed, whatever you doing. It don't matter. Just stay what you doing. This finna get lit. If they doing what they supposed to be doing, man, it's finna get lit. So just sit back and enjoy. Subscribe too. So man, YouTube, I made it to the location. Y'all can see there's a few cars up here. Everybody ain't up here yet. Yeah, everybody ain't up here yet. They still coming. I don't know what we gonna do. I don't know how it's supposed to be. This my first time ever, so. We got a Hellcat in the building. Too hard. Yes, sir. Man, this Hellcat too clean. And this is, I don't know what that is, but Hellcat, I don't know, it's wrapped this super clean. But mostly everybody pulling up now though. Well, not everybody, but more people pulling up. .50 right here, it's too clean. Right here, that 5.0 too clean. That's so clean. that magic, cuz. Let me see what it sound like. Woo! Why y'all doing too loud? You got that doing straight pipe? Why y'all doing too loud? Sound too good.
Yeah, that shit jump. Big ass house.
Yes, sir.
Hey, why everybody do that shit, fool? Like, everybody just look at the side of niggas' car, like, a nigga just did me like that. Hey, like, what the fuck? Huh? You going on the bank? Yeah.
Track out. Yeah, that's too clean. Let me bad mine.
so y'all can hear.
Yes, sir.
Everybody mashing out here.
Too clean. Yeah. We got them whoops out here for real. That haircut too clean.
Can't see, bro.
Boy, his lights too clean. Scats. Telling them whoops out. .0 Hellcat. Man, police trying to shut us down already, man. I don't know. But let me show y'all my baby, man. Let me show y'all mine, man. Yes, sir. But we all finna pull off, so y'all stay tuned. We ain't over here. Gotta let y'all hear my baby, man. Yes, sir. We on our way to a different location, I think, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Okay. There go JC right now, man. JC TV on YouTube. Scat. Wide by the scat. Him and the cars is out. There go my bar Rashad. What it do, cuz? Why by the Hellcat right here? Too clean. Hit it one more time, kid. My nigga kid. Look at my face. The Hellcat, man. It is wide body. Don't play. Don't play. What my boy did to his though. Like, look at the blue, man. It's so clean. Like, just check out the blue. The blue tie sticker, man. The calipers. Too clean. I'm talking about the cars is hot, man. Got the trucks too, man. You don't know how to open your trunk? 5.7 V8 in a Chrysler. And why you got a K&N cold air intake and you telling me to line it up? My junk stop, fool. Man, we got the same car. That boy too hard. That's too hard. Well, they finna start slime. It's finna get lit, YouTube. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Whoa, hold on now. I can't even see. There go a real slider right now. Now that's how you slide. Man, he's sliding that thing, man. Boy gonna need some new tires and more hard. Oh yeah, he too hard. He too hard. Man, who done in with them lights? Yeah, I can't see that. That's how you slide, boy. That's how you slide, boy. That's how you slide. Everybody pulled up over here. Oh, he, ooh, I almost had a wreck. I almost had a wreck. That quick. Man, police keep shutting it down, bro. Every time, man. I don't know where we going now, though.
finna go. Man, we cutting up through the city, man. We cutting up through the city, man. Yes, sir. We cutting up through the city, man. We cutting up through the city, man. Like the police and trying to stop us like I don't know how many times and they can't stop us. Like they really can't stop us. Like no cap. We going crazy, man. We going crazy, man. We going crazy, man. Woo, that boy jump popping. This how you do it, man. This how you come together, man. Real talk. YouTube, I thought the video was over with, but hey, man. Hey, I guess this going all night. We getting this lit, baby. Man, we too lit. Everybody pulling back up. The police keep messing with that, bro. We got a girl finna slide, I think. I don't know. Got a girl burning out. So man, YouTube, they gonna wrap up my video for the day. Real bank, I told y'all that how we're coming with real bankers. But y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, leave any type of comment. And follow all my social media. Follow me on Instagram at barberboy_20. Follow me on TikTok at barberboy20. It's late. I think it's like, what time it is? Like 1:17. So, hey, we out.